All right, we're back.
Had to go get a couple tools. That's not the right tool, Alan. This is for a big twin.
Okay, we're gonna try to split these cases here.
I think they're already broken.
Gonna try to salvage them.
Let's hope not.
They call Jack the Terminator.
Yeah.
Here's a push cover. These things are oily and dewy.
They call Tatro the Doctor of Love.
Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna see the comments already about how I'm abusing his cams. Throwing them around everywhere again. Where's my half-inch socket? Who stole the half-inch socket?
Right there by the side.
That's a 916. Can you still
Okay.
look at that? Okay, if we get this gear off, we can pull the crank out without pulling the oil pump, which will save you from having to redo these oil pump gears and everything in there, which we're probably going to redo anyway because they're probably going to leak, and Jack hasn't told me yet.
I talked with Jack at the short break there that we just had. We're not, no expense spared. Do it.
Go for it.
Not what you said, Jack?
Good to me.
The audience just wanted to know how deep we were going on this, but
Whatever it takes.
My pockets are so deep they have holes in them.
there you go. I understand that, man. No problem. Tatro's revolving credit. I see where he got that logo for the back of the t-shirts now. Flopping pistons and rods. I like it.
Flop stuff around.
What are we taking off now?
Well, if I don't take the lifter blocks out, they're just going to have oil. And
All right. I
crap going
just
everywhere.
wanted you to do some narrative there while we were pulling them.
Now, you're supposed to have a tool you use for doing this, but I'm hoping I don't need the tool.
Okay, flat blade screwdriver looks like it's working.
Yeah, that was pretty much maxed out on that one. Hopefully this one's not as bad. It's about the same. Be careful about breaking them off doing it that way.
Breaking the ear off.
Yes. So you slide it over, and you don't jam this into there, you get on the flat spot on the other side,
Right.
and you're on this. And see, you can't get on the inside, so you got more leverage.
Okay, but typically you don't beat it. If it's not coming, don't force it.
There's actually a tool that's supposed to be used.
Gotcha.
That we are not using.
But this isn't your first rodeo, so.
See, this is the official tool. A bit better. After you get in there, you can go in there like that, but see, you're not really putting any pressure at that point. Okay. Need this.
Are you paint all the cases and everything, Jack, the second time? Or leave it all silvery?
What's that?
The cases, because he's going to clean all that up. That'll be all nice and shiny. You're not going to paint them again, are you? I like that natural. That satin sand is nice.
I didn't know we were rebuilding the whole motor.
Well, you're welding on.
either.
You're welding on that left side of that case. I know you're going to clean it up.
Well, that's on the inside.
Oh, well, okay. Well, you guys don't do anything halfway. You're not going to short hit this thing.
I'm only doing halfway right now.
Yeah, we're just taking it apart. You can't halfway take it apart. You got to take it apart.
Still looking for metal for some aluminum.
And besides that, where's that piece that broke off?
We don't know. That's the problem. Okay, where's that 7/8 wrench at?
7/8 wrench?
Let's see it. Spark plug socket wrench. It's up there. That'd be the one. You have to pull out the drive unit to get to the bolt behind it to get the case apart. There's another one, I think the oil pump I got to deal with.
That's really disappointing right there.
What?
That end of that generator broke
I
off.
didn't use my hammer? You're disappointed?
Huh?
You're disappointed I didn't use my hammer?
No, what Jack's looking at there, that's disappointing.
Oh, I'm not always looking at. I'm paying attention to what I'm doing. Oh, when I got no access to that damn bolt now. I know there's access to that bolt. It's just tight.
Go ahead, pull the oil pump.
I'm trying to avoid doing that.
I know, you said that, but now you gotta move all the fittings.
I didn't want to pull the oil pump.
Wonder if anybody counted how many parts and pieces there are to a motor.
Who cares?
Well, there's a few.
Yeah, that one's going to be hard to get to in there. Ah, that goes on there too. There it goes.
Tell a story about pulling that motor all apart and you built it with all used parts and it ran great. What was that all about?
Which one are you talking about?
You put that motor together on a budget you set out of all junk and it ran bitchin'.
Back in the 80s.
What was that, a Sportster motor or what?
Yeah, it was a 71 Sportster. It was quiet as hell, and everything in it was just trash.
And it was as quiet as hell. But we don't know how long it lived, but...
For at least 6 months for sure. Guy came back every now and then, it's still running strong. I have to call the covers are welded up, everything's purple black because everything's just all welded and cobbly looking.
No kidding.
Junk. Yeah, just old junk crap. Junk crap will work if you put it together correctly. As long as you got the clearances where it needs to be, stuff will live quite a while. I prove it all the time on my race bike. This one. Let's see. Do something I don't like using. All right, how many more bolts are left?
2?
2.5.
One's that.
All right. It's hard to do on your legs. These. You hit it right back here in the kicker area where it's strong. And you come and hit it right here in the generator snout. Right here near the base where it's strong, not right here on the edge. See how it's split?
Yeah.
If you hit it on the very tip up here, you can knock the snout off.
Well, we know a welder.
If you hit it on these ears right here, they break off. Okay, it's about as far as it's going to go because someone's still got the damn that one bolt over here you can't get to. And my socket just went in.
Or the tools.
Probably quicker just pull a stupid oil pump. Spend all your time dicking around with stuff instead of just working. Yeah, get around with that stupid pump. See, it's better just to take the crap apart instead of screwing around with it.
That way you can put it back in together in sequential order, huh?
Yeah, just a pain in the ass and it bolts in the way. You can't do anything. 7/16 socket, right there. Takes you 2 seconds to pull a pump apart. Takes you 15 minutes to put it all together, so that's the difference. Spend a half hour dicking around with a stupid bolt and you can't do the job anyway because it's in the way all the time. It's easier just to pull it apart. Just like trying to fix this case, it's easier to just take the damn thing apart and be done with it. Appears somebody used some gasket dupe on that one. Appears to be on there pretty good. Yeah. What you don't want to do is be banging on that gear very much. It's kind of hard on me to do that.
Sounds hollow. Sounds like you're getting it.
Case is apart right now. That's why it's hollow sounding. Alright. If you hit on these teeth too hard, you'll break them. Make sure you hit a very high angle. Don't hit in one spot too many times either. That was a 3-hitter. See how it split? Now that's what happens when you use gasket cinch. See how the gasket shears in half? It doesn't separate. Notice how it's still all one piece, even though it's all glued together.
Somebody got a little crazy with the
With a gasket cinch, yeah.
with the worrying about the oil leakage on a Harley motor.
Yeah, I know. Shouldn't have done that.
Somebody. That's okay. She didn't leak.
Didn't come apart either. Lining up on these studs in the back. I think we need to replace this.
We got other ones, don't we?
Maybe. They're broken too, though.
At least that piece still looks good.
It appears you didn't break this side yet. Looks good. It's a good sign. Alright. Appears I have an oily mess down here. Oh, looks like the main bearing's trying to come out. Look at that. I'm getting dirtier and dirtier the more I touch this plate. Alright. Yeah. I got parts in my way.
Is that on a taper? I'm guessing, huh? That's why it won't come out.
Press fit. Surprised it came down as much as it did. All right.
There we are.
One motor disassembled.
Baby's born.
Look at the mess over here. Jeez, oil everywhere. Now my press isn't going to rust.
Properly lubed.
All right, now we move on to the next step, which is what? Degreasing.
Cleaning.
Solvent?
Lots of cleaning. Then we can see what other damage has been done. I will have to pull this drain out before I will do it because I don't want any heat getting in that.
And we didn't find that piece.
No, I never did find the broken aluminum pieces.
Unless it's in that oil pan there. That's the only place it...
But we did find out why the motor wouldn't kick.
Yeah, that gear.
So there you go. That's what started the whole thing, is that generator.
All right, that's it.
Back. Get another one.
Okay, we'll be back. All right, Greasy. Is it clean?
Yeah.
Any brakes?
Brakes? Yeah, there's a brake. We got a broken bolt on the
Got another broken part?
regulator mount.
Uh-oh. The top one?
The bottom.
Bottom one. It's not broken.
Look at the head's busted off.
See what happens when you clean your bike? You find more broken stuff. What? Oh, you missed this outlet. That's part of your bracket.
Bracket.
That's a welded on stud. That's welded on. So how'd you break that? That's rubber mounted. That had to be from over torquing.
Or it had top Loctite on it. Too hot, heavy duty Loctite.
I don't know. That's why I used the correct Loctite. All right, well that's going to have to be, that's a stud that's welded on, so you have to take that off the frame.
Drill it out.
Yeah, you just knock them out with a hammer, but you got to weld a bolt on there.
Okay.
If you want to keep that. Actually, you're not even using the damn regulator. Why is it even on the bike?
Oh, because it's got chrome on it? I don't know. Maybe you ask Flavio. I don't know.
Well, you put a different generator up here, remember?
Right?
There's your regulator. That's the second regulator you don't need. This is the one you're using.
So I could actually get rid of this and put like
You can get rid of that whole bracket.
Put a toolbox right there or something.
You could put a toolbox right there, a tool bag. But
I
not,
want to get rid of that piece.
not this crappy one though.
I want to get rid of that thing.
I don't know if you can put a tool bag there, it'd be kind of tight, but yeah, you can do something besides that. We do need to fix this though.
Okay.
I'm thinking some JB weld and a little paint. Should be good to go.
What if I could just I can make one up?
You can make one out of some thick ass
Some stainless.
brakes.
Okay.
1/4-inch aluminum looks really good.
1/4-inch aluminum?
Yep. So I use on a race bike, except I usually use thick stuff like 3/8-inch aluminum, but aluminum will deaden the vibration and not break, whereas steel vibrates and breaks.
Okay.
Right, Alan? Alan looks like he knows about that.
Looks pretty clean.
Look, yeah, but look at my rack.
All right,
Yeah.
well, that's easy fix, though.
Jeez.
Wipe it down.
That's no problem there at all.
Look, I get my rag dirty.
The rag was dirty already. This was a dirty rag.
Besides that, he brought his own rags.
I'm going to tomorrow. I'm bringing a whole
That way
bag.
you can use all you want.
There's the clean rag.
There you can use all you want.
These were imported from Hong Kong.
Yeah, well,
Look at that.
whatever.
Says good something. Good luck.
Oh, yeah, Chinese restaurant.
Is that where you
That
stole it
means
from?
Tatro
Oh.
#1 in Chinatown.
That was stolen from a Hong Kong restaurant. Good. That came in an Evo motor. All right, well, Jack's got a mess going there. So he's messy.
Back to the racing department, Jack.
So somewhere back here we got clean parts. See, after an hour and a half, see, we get some clean stuff going on here. So, these parts aren't oily anymore. So yeah, this stuff all looks fairly good. And we got a big stack over here. So there's the transmission, looking good. Nothing wrong with that. Crank looks good, except he dropped it, so now I got through it. So there's the case half that's bad. There's a good case half over there. So cam cover looks okay, even though it's chewed up a little bit right there where the snout the generator was broken. So I have to pull the bearing out of the case right here. Oh, get that over, you can see it. So I'm gonna pull the snap ring out, pop this bearing out so I don't cook it. And I go ahead and pull this plate off that gas. It's going to turn to vapor anyway. So we'll pull off that block off plate. Then I go ahead and grind this out, weld it up solid. Or at least weld it up a little bit. haven't decided whether it's solid or not. The less welding you do, the better, so it's probably best if I didn't weld it solid, but I'll think about it when I'm getting ready to do it. So that's where we're at on that, so good for another day. We'll come back to it. There you go.